are going to love 2021 X6. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, security system. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.